In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Blox Discord server. If you're looking to connect with other players, stay updated with community announcements, and participate in discussions about Blox, joining the official Discord server is a great place to start. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, from joining the server to completing the verification steps that allow you to access the community. To begin, open Discord on whichever device you prefer. You can use Discord through your web browser, on your computer, or on your mobile device. Once Discord is open, locate the server list on the left-hand side of the screen. If you're using a mobile device, you may need to swipe across to access the server menu. From there, select the option to add a server. When the menu appears, choose the option that says you already have an invite and want to join a server. You'll now be prompted to enter an invite link. Type in the server invite exactly as required and then click or tap Join Server. Keep in mind that if the server has reached its member limit, you may not be able to join immediately. In that situation, simply try again later when space becomes available. Once you've successfully joined, you'll be greeted by the server's welcome section. Before participating in the community, it's a good idea to review the server rules carefully. Reading the rules helps you understand the community guidelines and can prevent issues later on. After reviewing the rules, you'll need to complete the verification process. On the left side of the server, locate and open the verification channel. Inside that channel, type the verification command and send it. A bot will then respond with instructions and a verification button. Click the verification button provided by the bot. You'll be asked to sign in and authorize the required connection. Make sure you understand what information is being shared before proceeding with authorization. After authorization is complete, you'll be taken to the verification page where you can connect your Roblox account to Discord. Scroll down and select the option to verify your account. You'll be presented with several verification methods. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts. If necessary, sign into your Roblox account and approve the requested access. Once the process is complete, your Discord and Roblox accounts will be linked successfully. You can now access the Blox Discord server, participate in discussions, connect with other players, and enjoy everything the community has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.